Hey, hey, yeah. Special day, nigga. Let's go. Young nigga with them say young nigga with that fit. Young nigga with them shit.
YouTube, what's good? Sporty B back again, back with another pack open. Excuse me, another pack opening. Picked up a mega box of this Topps Holiday. I've ripped quite a few of them. I've gotten one auto, so they're pretty rare. What's even more, gold metallic holiday, 1 in 41,496. I look at that every time I look at this. I just think, wow, that's oof. That's crazy, man. That's some crazy odds. Anyhow, you get 10 exclusive packs, 10 cards per pack, 100 cards per box. Do you lot of cards? About 90 of them will be, well, crap. Anyhow, let's go ahead and rip open. Oh, I didn't even grab my razor blade. Where is that? Let's go ahead and rip into it and see if we can't shuffle through the base and see if there's any decent parallels, inserts, autos, relics. And just put that over here. Oh yeah, I forgot. And you get an ornament. You get an ornament card. Let's see who we got. We're gonna get ourselves Pete Alonso. Pete Alonso. A ton of these. Haven't got any of the good ones, but it is what it is. What it is suck. Usually, but you know we're trying to make it not suck. That's the point of opening these. 5 and 5. Let's see. Any of them feel fat? Let's see, not really. You know, it's like nearly impossible to tell unless they're just like obscenely large, which it never is. So we'll go from the left. Let's start tearing into these, see if we can't find something remotely decent. Victor Robles, rookie, base. Chris Bryant, base. Luke Voigt, base. Hey, we got a backwards one. And be a rookie, something decent. Not a rookie. No, it is a parallel. See the Santa hat. Okay, well, glad it wasn't like Miss Roberts or someone desirable, but nonetheless, we'll take it. And base. Jordan Alvarez, rookie. So it's all about rookies and base. Trying to find autos, trying to find decent cards. Boy, is it hard, let me tell you. Finding an auto in these is like finding gold. Alright, so base. Hey, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Rookie. Base. Rookie. Base. Fun. It is fun if you can pull something good. This one feels kind of fat. Maybe this is our, no, maybe not. We'll jack that pack up. Looking for something decent. Oh wait, no. We got a base, a rookie, base, rookie, base, yes, base. Ooh, that was an exciting pack there. Yeah, Topps really hooks it up fat, you know. Of course, Panini's no better. So, we got base, rookie, base, rookie, base. All right, 1 rookie and 9 base cards. Oof would be a correct assessment. This one will have the hit. We'll have an auto. Wouldn't that be nice? Go ahead and make it the last card. Alright, we got a base. What the? Alright, I guess I'm just seeing shit. Base, and let's see who it's gonna be. Is it gonna be a decent one? It rarely is. Gonna be game used memorabilia with no autograph. At least it's a rookie. Randy Dobnak. No auto. Don't know what to say about that. Other than typical. Very, very typical. Javier Baez. Base. Hey, you got a rookie. Hey, a base. Hey, a rookie. Got a snowflake rookie that nobody wants. Base, 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 rookie, base. Boy, this box has been well, terrible. Last couple more chances to turn it around. Base, rookie, base, 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 rookie, base, rookie, base, base. And then you can have them in that pack. Yikes. And yikes and more yikes. Little stack of nothing. It's alright though, I'll donate them to kids when I get enough. At this rate, it should be pretty quick. Base. 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 Yikes. Base. 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 And a rookie. Packs are on fire. Base. 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 Rookie. Rookie. Base. 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 It's supposed to give us 2 parallels. I may have overlooked it, which means it probably wasn't nothing that good. Rookie. Hey, Lewis Robert. That's a good one. Rookie. Maybe that wasn't a parallel, but hey, it is what it is, right? Base. Base. Rookie. Base. Base. Rookie. Bryce Harper, base, and a rookie. Alright, so that box was pretty much went through all that for these 3 cards. I don't even know if this one's worth anything. I don't know. I know this one is. That's it, man. Alright, hey, thanks for hanging out, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell, you get notified every time I do dumb shit like this. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.